Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here for another new house clean and decorate. As you can see, today was a cold, snowed in day. On this day we had a big blizzard. It snowed about 36 inches here in New York, and so I was snowed in and I decided why not to go ahead and do some decorating in my bathroom that I've been wanting to do. Specifically in my guest bathroom, I'm going to be adding a bench that used to be in my entryway in the old house and decorating it kind of like a spa-like vibe to it, as well as changing out those Raton shelves above my toilet to a picture frame, just because I felt like, I told you guys, when I put the pendant light and then those shelves, it just felt like a little bit too much Raton for me. I don't know if I'm saying that word correctly, guys. People are always correcting me on the way I say things. I have an accent. I don't always say things correctly, so I appreciate those who do it nicely, but for those who are a little mean about it, it's like, okay, like, is it really that big of a deal? You know what I'm saying. But anyways, this is gonna be a super chilled, relaxed video. We're gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning. It's not gonna be my normal fast pace, and then some decorating. As I said, I'm gonna be showing you guys some TikTok hacks on how to fold your towel to look spa-like, and how to do this cool design on your toilet paper to make your bathroom just have a more elegant feel to it. It's gonna be fun and relaxing and enjoyable, or so I hope. So if that sounds like your jam, go ahead and stick around and make sure you hit that like button if you enjoy it. So guys, after I finish cleaning this toilet, we're just gonna mop the floors real quick, vacuum and mop, and then we'll get straight in to the decorating. So stick around for that. But I did just want to ask you guys, it's very cold here in New York. It gets to like about 15 degrees on the regular right now, and it has snowed quite a bit. This was the biggest snowfall since winter began, and I really don't like that it's after Christmas. I'd rather snowfall be for Christmas. After that, it's like, okay, not really feeling it, but it's still pretty to look at. But once it hardens, it's like, it's just so difficult to get your car out, dig your driveway out, and your front pathway. It's just, it's only cute for me for Christmas. But I'm curious, I know a lot of people watch from all over the place, not just New York, or not just places that get winter like we do. So go ahead and comment down below, what's the climate like where you are at. So the first thing I did was take down these Raton shelves and replace it with a Hobby Lobby picture that I already had. I took it from the space where I had put the buffet table. The reason why being that this pendant light is not original to the house. As you guys know, it was a super cheap Amazon find. It was like 30 bucks. I'll have it linked below, but I love the look of it, along with the kind of seagrass Raton basket and garbage can, kind of. But I thought that with the Raton shelves there as well, it was just a little bit too much Raton seagrass going on, and I was just not loving it. So I went ahead and did that. And then I'm just adding this wooden bench that I previously had in my entryway in the old house, and I did that because it was just, this bathroom has so much space, so it needed something there to fill it up. And as well as this is my guest bathroom, and God willing, we're expecting expecting some guests soon, so I really wanted to have it look kind of like spa slash hotel like, with everything that my guests would need on it: towels, toilet paper, all that good stuff. So that's the reason why I did all this. And again, I was snowed in, so I just used everything that I already had, but later on I did go ahead and buy a few new pieces for it, but you guys will see that in an upcoming video. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a cool toilet paper trick to just give your toilet paper a little more elegance and have your guest bathroom look cute for your guests. And I got this from Till Vacuum Do Us Part, but basically you just fold the two ends in and then let your water run for a second and then turn it off, and then use the faucet to make a print that's kind of like a button, and it's super cute to do in your guest bathroom, especially if you're expecting guests. Now it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you. This is a TikTok hack. This is called the spa towel fold. I guess this is the fold that spas use, or even hotels. It's super easy. You just fold in one of the corners, kind of like diagonally, then you fold the towel in half, flip it over, roll it up, and then tuck the ends in, and it's super cute, and another way to make your guest bathroom look a little more elevated. And I just think it's such a cute and super easy way to help your guests feel a little more at home and feel comfortable knowing that you prepared for them and you thought about these little details. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold, hold you, hold you, hold, hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Now, all these things were stuffed inside my vanity along with my stuff, so to make a little more room in the vanity and to take advantage of the fact that this is a storage bench, I went ahead and put things that I thought guests might need in there, like a first aid kit, little mini samples of Yankee candles, extra soap, Epsom salt, all that stuff, just to make more room in the vanity. And those books are just little mini Bibles that we always kept to give to guests, and I had them there in my entryway, and I just thought I would just leave them there, not that they're bathroom related or anything, but just to keep them there. And then this tray that's kind of Raton looking as well, I got from Home Goods, and I just added the toilet paper, a few hand towels to it, because again, I wanted this bench to be about guests and things that they would actually need when they come over. I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try, but don't succeed. Now, I wanted to add some greenery, and keep in mind that I was snowed in, so I didn't have time to go anywhere, and this is just the only vase and the only greenery that I had left in the house. I did change it, and you guys will see that in the next video. I went to Target and got something much more fitting, as well as next to these towels, I'm going to be putting a tray with some soap and a candle, but that is not the vision that I wanted. I wanted like these little sprays for guests, like some extra soap and like a loofah or something like that for them if they needed it to shower. And I went ahead and got that at Target. You'll see that in a future video, but for right now I just put a candle and some soaps just to fill it in for now. But this is not by any means how I left it, guys. You guys, I will be putting it in the very next video. It's going to be a get it all done, and you guys will see it there. And also that little tray where I put the soap and all that stuff on was a Target dollar spot find, like back in October. Now this is my upstairs bathroom. We're gonna go ahead and clean that. Ugh, this was so annoying. I don't know about you guys, but I hate when my husband forgets to put a bag in there and then somebody throws tissue in there without the bag, and then it just keeps piling up until the whole thing is filled up without a bag. So I had to go ahead and dump that out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean this, and what we're decorating here today is 2 shelves that we're gonna be putting, well, my husband is gonna be putting for me above the toilet, and these shelves were from Five Below. I do not have a link. They were from Five Below so long ago. Super cute and cheap find. They were $5 each, and I also had them in my entryway. So I'm just reusing things here, you guys. And for these shelves, I did get some new stuff because I was able to go to Target and get them before the whole snow day, but I wasn't thinking about the bench for some reason. But yeah, anyways, so we're gonna go ahead, get this bathroom clean, and then my husband's gonna put up the shelves for me. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. It came out super cute, so stay tuned for that, y'all.
I don't really care if you are mine. I don't need another side. I'm wearing you down to the ground. We're done for the night. I really don't care if you are mine, but I'm keeping you in the line. You really don't know which way to turn. You're always one step behind. Going down this road again. I don't wanna explain
So now my husband is putting up the shelves for me, and the only thing that I didn't really like is that we lost the screws that we had in the other house. They were black screws, so my husband just had to use some silver screws, and that bothers me a little bit. Like, the little details bother me, so I am gonna try to paint those black a little in the future, like with a small little brush and maybe some acrylic paint to really finish it off.
You really don't mind if you are wrong. You just need someone around. I'm holding you tight to my grip, a rebound that I found. I really don't care if you are mine. I'm just keeping you in the line. Going down this road again. I don't wanna explain myself.
Now for the bottom shelf, I went ahead and just put some little hand towels. Hand towels are a super easy way to decorate because they kind of give like a spa-like feel, and they're super cheap, but they still look super cute with something next to it. And what I put next to it was a little canister that I bought from Target. It's Hearth and Hand, and it was like $4.99. Super cute, and you could fit like cotton swabs or something in there. This little bud vase was also from Target, and it was $4.99, and I went ahead and added that, and then just put some greenery in there that I already had. And then next to it I put this little mini clock that I got from Home Goods that I already had on the other shelves downstairs. Again, reusing but creating a new and fresh look, and I am super excited for how it turned out. It looks so cute, so definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments.
Ain't nothing that I'll ever be. That's the last I'll ever be.
Now now I'm just going to be refilling everything, putting in the toilet paper inside the rack and this basket, and also creating the same little prints. But after this, I'm just going to be showing you guys some end shots. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched until now, definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you give this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're not already. I will see you guys next week for a Get It All Done. I'm taking you guys to Target with me. We're going to be decorating, cleaning, meal prepping, all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
The things you did to me, you showed me what it's